my class. If you are new here, karibu sana, and I am very happy to have you here today. So for those who are new, ninaitwa Mwalimu Patricia. My name is Patricia, and today we are going to talk about learning Swahili for beginners, and I'm going to give you some tips that will help all Swahili beginners. And these are some of the tips that we are going to start now. And the first tip is learn common Swahili words first. Okay? Learn common Swahili words or Swahili verbs first. So these are top 30 verbs or words, Swahili words, that I'm going to give you, and I'm going to teach you the meaning and the translation in English. Okay? So let's get started. The first common Swahili verb is fanya. 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 So this is the very common Swahili verb or Swahili word. Fanya in English means do. Okay? Do. Fanya. Fanya means do in English. And the second verb is anza. Anza. Anza, which means start. Okay? Anza, start. Another verb is weza. 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 Weza, which means able. Okay? Able. Weza. Another verb is hisi. 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 Hisi in English means feel. Okay? And another verb is tafuta. 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 And in English, this means find. Okay? Find. And another verb is pata. 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 This means get. Okay? Pata. Get. And another verb is nenda. 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 Okay? This means go. Nenda. Go. Okay? Nenda. And another verb is rudi. Rudi. Rudi, which means come back. Rudi. So nenda, go. Rudi, come back. Another top verb, Swahili top verb is sikia. Sikia. Sikia, which means listen. Sikia. Okay? And another verb is saidia. 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 Okay? So saidia in English means help. Help. Okay? And another verb is faham. Fahamu. Fahamu, which means know. Know. Faham. Know. Like this. Know. Okay? Fahamu. Another verb is tengeneza. Tengeneza. Tengeneza, which means make. Tengeneza, make. Okay? And another verb is cheza. 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 Play. Cheza. play, cheza. Okay. Next is weka, 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 which means put. Okay. And another verb is kimbia, 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 which means run. Okay, kimbia. And next is tembea, tembea, which means walk. And another one is ongea, 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 which means talk. Ongea, talk or speak. And another one is sema, sema. So ongea, sema means talk or speak. These ones are same in Swahili, but they are you. Okay, the sema means talk and ongea means speak. Okay, so they are same. And another verb is fikiri, 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 which means think. And another one is jaribu, jaribu, try, jaribu. Next is rudisha, 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 return. And another one is safiri, 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 travel. And pika, this is very common, pika, pika, cook. And kula, another very common word, kula, kula, which means eat. And another one is safisha, safisha, very common, safisha, which means clean. And fua, 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 which means wash. And fagia, fagia, sweep, fagia. Okay. Endesha, 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 which means drive, endesha. And washa, washa, which means turn on, washa. And zima, 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 which means turn off. Very important thing to know is most Swahili sentences have one of these action words. Okay, so these are Swahili verbs or action words. Okay, so most Swahili sentences have one of these action words. So you need to know, you should learn these common Swahili words first. Okay, so learn common Swahili words first, because most Swahili sentences have one of these Swahili action words or verbs. Okay, tip number 2 is you don't need perfect grammar. You don't need perfect grammar. We understand. If you make mistake, we understand. So you don't need perfect grammar because you are a beginner. So just speak Swahili the way you know and we will understand. Okay, so don't worry about grammar. You don't need perfect grammar because you are a beginner and we understand if you make mistakes. So don't worry, and then don't feel shy to speak Swahili in front of Swahili people, because we understand that when you make mistake, we understand that. So don't worry about grammar, or don't worry about speaking, or a perfect Swahili sentence because we understand. So tip number 2 I just want to give every Swahili beginner is you don't need perfect grammar, okay? Tip number 3, learn 3 most important tenses, okay? So learn only 3 important tenses. So 3 important Swahili tenses are, in English we say simple present, which is wakati uliopo, simple present, wakati uliopo, which is now, and another tense is simple past. In Swahili we say wakati uliopita, past, okay? And another one is simple future, which is wakati ujao, future. Tomorrow is future. Next year is future, wakati ujao, okay? So tip number 3, remember, learn 3 important tenses, which are these ones, okay? Don't worry about the other tenses because you are a beginner. Learn only these tenses: wakati uliopo, simple present; wakati uliopita, past tense, simple past tense, okay? And wakati ujao, wakati ujao, which is future, simple future, okay? So learn these 3 important tenses. For example, these are Swahili sentences or examples, okay? And wakati uliopo, which is present tense, the sentence said ninaimba, ninaimba. So this is present tense. Wakati uliopo, wakati uliopo, present tense, ninaimba, ninaimba. Wakati uliopita or simple past tense, the sentence will be niliimba. So we put li here. And present tense, wakati uliopo, we say ninaimba. So na represent present tense and li represent past tense. And wakati ujao, future tense, simple future tense, will be nitaimba, nitaimba. So ta in this sentence represents future, wakati ujao, okay? So ninaimba, na for present, niliimba, li for past, nitaimba, ta for future. So learn 3 most important tenses, which are simple present, simple past, and simple future first, okay? Then after understanding all these 3 tenses, then you will learn the other tenses, okay? So learn 3 important tenses, okay? Okay, tip number 4 is start small amount of listening. Start small amount of listening. I recommend 5 to 10 minutes of listening every day. That is enough for any beginner, Swahili beginner. So small amount of listening, 5 to 10 minutes is enough. You don't need much time when you are Swahili beginner. So start small amounts of listening, okay? And tip number 5 is start with Swahili that is important for your life, okay? Start with Swahili that is very important for your life. For example, find some words that are very meaningful or important for your life. For example, if family is important for your life, find Swahili words that are in family. Find Swahili words for the family, okay? Find Swahili words for the family if family is important for you. And if work is important for you, find Swahili words for work, okay? And if life is important for you, find Swahili words for life. So learn Swahili words. Start with Swahili that is important for your life. Learn new vocabulary that is meaningful to your life, okay? And this, it will be very easy to remember because you are learning something which is very meaningful for your life. If family is very meaningful for your life, then learn Swahili words for the family. For example, baba, mama, mtoto, mjomba, okay? So learn Swahili words that are important for your life. If work is important for your life, learn Swahili words of work, okay? And if life is important for your life, okay, so you learn Swahili words for life. That will be very easy for you to remember and to understand. So learn new vocabulary that is meaningful to your life. And tip number 6 is practice, okay? Practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect. So review new words every day. Just try to review new words every day and practice, practice, and practice. Because practice makes perfect. And to remember a new word, you need to review many times, okay? To remember a new word, Swahili word, you need to review it and to practice many times. So practice, do some practice. This will help you to learn Swahili and to understand it very well, okay? So practice, 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 because practice makes perfect, okay? And please, if you are a beginner, don't forget to subscribe, and of course, go to visit my channel and learn some lessons that are very meaningful for you, because there are so many lessons in this channel that you need to know, okay? So thank you so much for today, and these are some tips that are very important for all Swahili beginners. Until next time, kwaheri.